It's Bonnie. Happy Saturday! Oh my goodness, you guys, check it out. I have just partnered with FabFitFun on their gorgeous spring 2021 box. So for those of you who are new to FabFitFun, they are a seasonal subscription box. They come out in the spring, summer, fall, and winter, which means you get all kinds of really cool stuff at the beginning of each season, which is bound to make you happy, which, by the way, is one of their missions. I think that's so funny, you guys, because you know me, I'm all about spreading joy and happiness, and I love the fact that the mission of FabFitFun is to spread happiness. They're available in the US, the UK, and Canada, and they include full-size beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and fitness products. Oh my goodness, you guys. And 100% recycled craft box and paper inside, which means they've saved like 31,000 trees. That's a heck of a lot of trees. And you know what? I always save the box because they are so beautiful. I always store stuff in here like scarves or makeup. So I am all about keeping the box. So I'm going to talk about what I got in spring 2021. FabFitFun partner, I do have a code below. It is Girl Geeks to get $10 off your first box. So that's super exciting, you guys. Also, what I love about FabFitFun is that you can customize many of the products in your box. That means every quarter they'll send you an email, and then you get to go on and you get to pick from a bunch of different products the products that you like from that group. So that's super exciting. So I'm going to go through and tell you everything I got in my box right now. I'm super excited. So let me set this down. So, first up, you're probably wondering what this giant thing is right here. Oh my goodness, this is actually from Short Stories. It is an LED indoor planter. Oh my goodness, so talk about having a nice green product in this box. What I like about this is what you do is you put a little dirt in here, you put your seeds, you plug this in, turn it on, and then it's got the LED lights to grow a plant. I am super excited to try this out. You know me, I am all about plants, and I like to grow my plants inside because right now it's winter, so I can't grow them outside. So I can't wait to actually try this out. I actually have to go and buy some dirt. Next up, oh my gosh, you guys, scarves. You know how much I love my scarves. These are from Lark and Ives, and they're a hair scarf set, but you can wear them a bunch of different ways. You know me, I like to wear these in my hair. I like to wear them around my neck. Look at how pretty these are. This is a beige one. They're super silky. They feel really nice. And then the one that I have on here is kind of a pink with like a black design on it. I thought this one was perfect for Valentine's Day. But I wear my scarves all different ways. You know me, I'm a huge scarf connoisseur. So I was super happy to get a set of scarves in this box. Next up, check it out. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited about this too. This is from Alice and Olivia. It is a reversible bucket hat. A half? It's a hat. I'm getting too excited here. It's a reversible bucket hat. Oh my goodness, is this not the cutest look you have ever seen? I love a good hat. So basically in the summer, we live right on Lake Erie, and I'm always like going down to the beach and looking for beach glass. I actually have it on backwards. Let me put the seam in the back where it belongs. There we go. Now the ticket's up front though. I'm gonna take my ticket off. And I always am looking for beach glass, but I don't like getting the sun in my face. There we go. I got the ticket off. There we go. How cute is this? To me, I swear this hat was just worth it right there. Where's the seam? There's the seam. I got it on side. There we go. Now we're perfect. Look at that. I don't know. I just feel like this is like the perfect hat for me. I don't know. It's gorgeous. It's got little daisies on it. So, this is definitely one of my favorite products in this box. And it's reversible, but I kind of like the black. Next up, check it out. Sun's Out, Pouts Out. They're a 4-piece of gold foil lip mask. And these are pretty awesome because you know, in the winter and stuff, your lips get really dry. You get 4 of these. Check this out. It says, let's see, any information on here. Position the mask on the lips, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove the mask and gently massage in any excess product. So it will leave your lips smooth, nourished, kissable, and softer. So that's like a good month or two's worth of those. So that was really cool. Next up in the box, check it out. Hair clips. Oh my goodness. Check these out. These are from Each. And I gotta take my hat off for a minute to do this. Now my hair's a mess though. I'm gonna put my hair clip in, then I think I'm putting my hat back on. These are so adorable, you guys. So let me take one of these off and show you. I love any type of cute little hair clip. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Does that not look awesome and springy or what? I absolutely love these. I swear, the hat and the clips has just absolutely made my day. Here, wait. I feel like I'm on spring overload, by the way. The planter, everything. Wait, I'm on this side. I'm always backwards when I'm on camera, and sometimes I get, like, insanely confused here. There we go. Check it out. What do you think? I think they're really cute, actually. Got to fluff my bangs up a little bit from having my hat on. I actually like this look. Check it out. Kind of a retro thing going on. I like that. Okay, I don't even have to put my hat back on. I like the clip so much. Okay, next up from Say Hello, we have, these are reusable beauty rounds. These are neat because they're machine washable. So check these out. You just kind of rub them on your face, get a nice lather going on. I actually like these. These are really nice. So I got those. Then I got from Pure, check this out. I love Pure, by the way. This is the Illuminating Face and Body Dry Oil. So it's super shimmery. Let your inner light shine with this antioxidant-rich face and body dry oil that's specially formulated to capture the look of glistening skin. Shimmer without unwanted greasy feeling. So I like the fact that it's not greasy. How do we get the top off? That's always a problem. Oh, I like this. Check it out. It's like, it's a dropper. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. I have not tried this one yet. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at that. It doesn't have a scent either. Look, oh my gosh. It's like illuminating. I like that. That's a good spring product. So check this out. This is a full-size product, by the way, from Pure. That's what I like about FabFitFun, the full-size products. And then we got, we did get some stickers in this one too. Check it out, FabFitFun stickers. Always fun to get stickers. And then, oh my gosh, you guys, the brushes. This is a Pro Brush Essentials kit from $1 Billion Brushes. They are vegan charcoal infused bristles, and we got 6 of them. This is such a good deal, you guys. You know me and my brushes. I have actually used brushes from this company before. I love them. Oh, they're so soft. Super neat. Check it out. You get, like I said, 6. Oops, I got that one in there. 6 brushes. This is definitely a high quality product. I love getting brushes because, you know, you buy one beauty brush and it's like 20 bucks. So I was super excited to get the brushes in this one. So like I said, what I love about FabFitFun is you get all kinds of different products. You get beauty, you get lifestyle, you get fashion. There were some options for fitness products. I did not choose those this time because I wanted some of this other stuff, including my awesome hat. I just can't get over how much I love this hat. And the clips. I'm feeling all springy. Oh my God, I wanted to mention is the FabFitFun standard. So starting in the spring, FabFitFun has compiled a list of 12 ingredients that they will never feature in any of their products, including stuff like phthalates, benzene, toluene. So what that means is they're bringing you the most quality products that they possibly can with ingredients that are safer. So I love that about FabFitFun. I'm super excited to try out everything in my box a little more. I want to use my planter. So anyway, like I said, I am a FabFitFun partner. My link is below. If you use the code Girl Geeks, you will get $10 off of your first box. Thank you so much for watching. This has been like a huge amount of fun this Saturday night. I cannot tell you how much I love my hat. I think I'm just going to wear this all evening. Anyway, thank you for joining me. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.